Now that Kawasaki has their factory up and running, they've officially taken the covers off the first wave of their 2021 models. In this video, we're going to briefly look at the KLX230, KLX140, KX100, KX85, and the KX65. Alright, let's start off with the motocross bikes because I personally love the sound of a screaming two-smoker. The KX100 is a bike that I wish was built when I was a kid. I was always and still am on the shorter side of the spectrum, so it took me a few extra years to be able to graduate to the bigger 125 and 250cc bikes. Despite its smaller stature, the powerful liquid-cooled 99cc two-stroke in the 2021 KX100 resembles the big bike look of the KX250. In 2021, the bike comes with a 6-speed transmission with bushings in 2nd, 3rd, and 4th gears on the output shaft and 5th and 6th gear on the transmission input shaft that add durability. Up front is a 36mm inverted fork complete with compression dampening adjustments, and the rear suspension has adjustable preload and compression. An adjustable ergo-fit handlebar mounting system allows for riders to place themselves in the best ride position. I'm not really sure what that means, but it sounds pretty cool. Disc brakes front and rear come standard, and what is crazy is that the screamer of a bike only weighs 170 pounds dry. The bike will be arriving in dealers as of this month for $4,649. Alright, before we chat about the KX's little brother, the KX85, I want to ask you all to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to never miss another update. You have no idea how much this helps me and my channel grow. Alright, let's jump into the KX85. With more amateur national championships than any other brand, the KX85 is obviously for young racers who are serious about winning, or at least their parents are serious about letting them win. The KX85 is basically the KX100, but for a few small changes. The 52.5mm bore drops down to 48.5mm, while the 45.8mm stroke remains completely unchanged on both bikes. Besides that, the wheel size drops from a 19-inch front and a 16-inch rear to a 17-inch front and a 14-inch rear. The drop in the wheel size drops the seat height almost a full 1.5 inches, which makes this bike easier for a shorter rider to tackle, i.e. me in my 31 years of age. The KX85 will be arriving in dealers as of this month for $4,349. Alright, the KX65 is the most compact bike in Kawasaki's KX lineup, and it's built to serve as the machine of choice for aspiring motocross racers. Its liquid-cooled 2-stroke 65cc engine and lightweight chassis delivers strong controllable power and exceptional handling, especially combined with its 6-speed transmission. The 33mm front forks and 4-way adjustable rebound dampening are capable of performing at the highest level of aggressive terrain, while the rear is fitted with Kawasaki's Unitrack single shock system with adjustable rebound dampening and fully adjustable spring preload. The seat height is a reasonable 29.9 inches, and the curb weight for this micro motocrosser is 132 pounds dry. Ridiculously light. The KX65 will be arriving in dealers as of this month for $3,749. Now, let's chat about the KLX family of off-road motorcycles. The Kawasaki KLX family of off-road motorcycles are widely popular for their low maintenance and easy to ride character. My mom rode once for a while, so that says a lot about how easy they are to truly ride. The KLX230 offers a powerful 233cc fuel-injected, air-cooled 4-stroke engine that utilizes an electric starter, keyless ignition, and a 6-speed manual transmission. The off-roader comes equipped with full-size off-road wheels and tires, using a 21-inch front and an 18-inch rear, and a long suspension for optimal ground clearance. Digital fuel injection helps deliver smooth, precise throttle response for increased engine control on the trail. Fuel injection also provides stable fuel delivery by automatically adjusting for an air temperature and changes in altitude, which contributes to cleaner emissions. But as someone who grew up in southern Colorado and had to constantly rejet his Hondas, the last feature is quite nice to have because rejetting is a pain in the ass. But with a seat height of 36.2 inches and a dry weight of 262 pounds, this bike is ready for the trails. The KLX230 will be available in July for $4,399. The KLX140 is available in 2 model variations to accommodate taller riders while also providing extra ground clearance. The KLX140R uses a 17-inch front and a 14-inch rear wheel, while the mid-size KLX140L motorcycle is equipped with a 19-inch front and a 16-inch rear wheel. Both bikes use a 144cc 4-stroke air-cooled engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. Electric start and keyless ignitions are also offered on both bikes. Due to the larger wheels, it's a bit higher off the ground, leading to more ground clearance and a higher seat height. The KLX140 is available right now for $3,149, while the KLX140L will cost $300 more at $3,449. Now, I want to flip the questions around to you. What are your thoughts on Kawasaki's first 2021 motorcycles? Has green lost its mean, or are they right on track for your wallet? Now, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for listening. Now go out there and ride safe.